And what in the world am I doing now? What do you guys think? Got that blue racing stripe going onto the car. Those of you who guessed that I've got a windshield leak on the car, you guys are correct. Now I know there's a lot of different ways that people look at to fix windshield leaks, but for me, this is just what the doctor ordered. It suits the mix of effort that I put into my car stuff and also the materials that I have at hand. So please don't hate. The key point is not having any water flowing into the car while I'm driving. The leak itself is actually quite small and only impacts a tiny portion of the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire top area because if there's one little leak, it's probably getting ready to fail in a couple other spots as well. And I want to make sure that that doesn't happen for quite some time. Nice rounded edges for a smooth look. Honestly, this windshield is so old, it's the original windshield, that eventually it's just gonna need to be repaired, and this is gonna be a very good solution for what we're dealing with and for what this car is used for.
Action! Machine gun! Reload!
In theory, here's where it gets really messy. Nice, all up on the shirt. Classic, that's fucking professional right there. Oh, not on the shirt. Oh, no, a little bit. I was almost a legend. Oh well. Alright, that was a little wasteful, but it ought to do exactly what I need it to. Now we're just going to remove all that stuff. Let's see how it turned out. Not too shabby. Actually, probably very shabby, but you know what else. Oh shit, it's too long. And there you have it. We'll just get some water on this rag. Clean up any problem spots. And there we go. By treating my Civic like a bathtub, hopefully it doesn't become one. And that's it. Short update this, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.